I'm Uli Bruckner. I'm a Jean Monnet professor for European Stanford University's Overseas Center in Berlin, and I'm here in Istanbul in a position as a board member of the Institute for Cultural Diplomacy, which is one of the organizers of the event.
Today we had a beautiful meeting and for struggle for peace. Christianism and Muslims all together in a meeting gave beautiful messages, and the spirituality of this meeting is peace to the world.
Very important. First, if you put people who represent you, then it's about my opinion, your opinion. Instead of Christians, people were very only open, and that left a deep impression on one who enjoyed.
Yeah, we have so much in common. We pay attention to what's common, not the differences. We believe in the same God, love, compassion, mercy, love, tolerance, justice in three divine religions. So this will bring peace to the entire world.
That was also not only my impression, but everyone I was talking to and like and create.
Yes. The good days are very specific. Israel is our natural ally, and this will include also other Muslim countries, Christian, Russian, and peace.
I hope so. The general idea of the Institute for Cultural Diplomacy is to provide a platform for better understanding of each other. A perfect example of diplomacy, and I'm very grateful for everything we have achieved.
Yeah, we love and respect you, and may God reward you. So more and more, and we'll do it.
I look very much forward to it. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. It's a pleasure and honor to have you.